Welcome again from me. Who doesn't remember, I'm Christoph. Um, you haven't seen me in a long time in a video, I think. So now I'm back. Um, yeah, the last two assignments, or the last assignment and the presentation video, if you want to call it two assignments, whatever. The last assignment is, essentially the stuff from the last two lectures, or from today or the last lecture. So first, reduce your controllers as much as you can using the metaprogramming stuff Peter presented last week. And as second task for this assignment, add a chat for the logged in users and inform in the chat all users when a new post or comment is created and provide a link to the new post or comment. So yeah, so all users can stay up to date in your social network. Yeah, then push and pull, create a pull request at GitHub as the last assignments. And the second thing we want you to do is just press publish. It's also published. Yeah, I hope so. The second thing we require you to do is create a presentation video where you talk about your work you have done this semester for this lecture. So first I show you just what's the, in my opinion, easiest way to create videos like this. There's a tool called OBS. It's obsproject.com. It's available for all three platforms. And I think it's easy to use. If you want to use a different tool, we are also fine with that. The only thing is, create a video. So, how you do it? When you start OBS for the first time, there are no scenes here at the left. So the first thing you have to do is create a scene. Your scene. The scenes are configuration of cameras, screens, and whatever. And you can switch between these scenes in the video. Just next you have to add a video source to your scene. For example, a display capture. You ask which display you want to add. I have here a second screen, just because if you use the same screen, you are displaying recursion. And it's no fun. So just add the screen. I can add something to add to the screen. Now you can add a second video source. For this I add a video capture device. Just name it as you want. Select your camera. This is my integrated camera. Now you can place your video in the scene, something like this. And now you can start recording. One thing you have to set up also is your audio. So at the moment my audio is not working because there are no levels flashing here. So we have to take a look at this. I think we use the MacBook built-in microphone. Now the level is is flashing. Just make sure that you have no background noises. Just record a few seconds and listen to it, because sometimes you have to hold some in the background. That's very annoying and not really professional in video. Yeah, Peter is making noise here next to me. If you have some static noise in the background, you can add a noise filter, which is called here noise gate. Yeah. Not noise gate. No. What's wrong? Noise suppression. So, you can use the default configurations. That should work fine. So then you have no noise or lesser noise in the background, and your video will be much nicer to watch. Of course, one of the horribles, or if you record a video, your audio is one of the major things. It's even more important than the video quality. It's the audio quality, because your viewers will get annoyed when you have bad audio. So one other thing to the audio is the level. Just make sure your level when you're speaking normally does not exceed too much here in the red zone, because then you get into something like called clipping, which is again really annoying. So just adjust your levels here. That's pretty much it. And then you can start recording, and start with something like an intro image, or maybe you're more fancy and add an intro video to your thing, and then say something. It's crazy because I have the camera in my MacBook and the camera in front of me. So that's a bit strange. Then introduce yourself. Hi, I'm Christoph. I'm a student from Kassel, and I want to present here my stuff, blah, blah, and then get into your work just by switching to this split screen or picture-in-picture, or how you name it, mode, and go through your stuff. At the end, always go back to the total perspective, so that at the end we can see you again in full screen, and just say ciao or some words for the end of the video. That's pretty much it, how to record a screencast. And I stop it here because my computer goes crazy. Oh, I have to quit the chat here. So, are there any questions about this or the last assignment? Um, yeah. Um, so, this browser. On the wrong screen. Yeah. So, um, so, um, here is the post on that moment. Mouse on the wrong screen. Publish. So now the post is public. Should be public. Just have a look. Presentation video here. Um, so yeah, the content should be yeah, just show all features that the your social network has, and which technology you used to yeah, bring it to life. Yeah, yeah. More like your business presentation when you show your work to customers. More technical customers. So yeah, just to show what you have done. Genau. As I meant,
we will have a look at the code anyway.
yeah, we will have a look at the code anyway. But yeah. Yeah. One thing we require is to have your camera image in the video, because we want to see who is speaking there. And upload the video here to this link. You can drop any file you want. Please don't upload terabytes of that data, or our server will explode or something like that. Yeah. Your camera image must be included, and include some kind of logo that I didn't show you. You can just add image something. Here I had existing. I created new just to show it. Just select your file. Downloads. Some image in downloads. Yeah. Here I have my account image. Then you just it's a little bit resize, transform, fit to screen, a bit smaller. So now I have my watermark here in the top left corner. Just add some image like this, just to look more professional or whatever. So, oh, no, not in the center, just here. Yeah. Did this answer your question, Dario? Okay. Yes. The task is still till next week, and the video is till here, the Friday after the next Friday. So 2 weeks. Yeah, and the length is required to be between 4:30 and 5:30 minutes. So stick to 5 minutes. Yeah. We will grade you after the 23rd of July. Just give us 2 or 3 weeks to go through all your stuff. So around mid-August, we will send you your grades or just enter them to our system. And I don't know how it works with ST21 people, but I will find out. Any more questions? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Amel, just 1 moment. Are there any general questions? So I could end the video because yeah, just no, because Action Cable and Heroku is a bit tricky. So no, the last assignment must not be deployed to Heroku. But if you want to, we are happy with it. So yeah. So just for the video, I end this here. Thank you for your attention, and yeah, I hope to see you again. So yeah, bye. Peter?
Yeah. Bye bye. Thank you very much.
Ciao.